This is a Viking Pfaff embroidery design. It tells the needle where to go. You can view the stitch pattern using a free embroidery viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated high-value VIP file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A VIP file is associated with embroidery software containing stitch pattern data and project management information. It stores the design, color sequence, and other parameters necessary for embroidery machines to create a specific pattern. The file also includes project details such as fabric type and hoop size to ensure accurate stitching. VIP files use a proprietary binary format specific to the embroidery software that created them. The file structure includes headers defining the design's properties, followed by stitch data represented as coordinates and control codes. These codes instruct the embroidery machine on how to move the needle and thread to create the desired pattern. The ideal software for creation and opening of VIP is JKI VIPM from JKI. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows provides playback but lacks the full toolbox needed for precise audio adjustments. Open the context menu by right-clicking the VIP file and selecting Open With. Start your test with JKI VIPM if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If your VIP file will not open yet, do not panic. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, use embroidery software. Install a program like VIP Customizer or Premiere Plus Embroidery to view the stitch patterns and color sequences in the file. Next, load the stitch pattern. Open the software and use the import command to display the design on a virtual embroidery hoop. Finally, transfer to machine. Once the design is verified, use the software to transfer the data to your embroidery machine via a USB drive. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.